Here we go. Premium football jersey 601. 601. Alright, 1 through 50. They're all stacked up behind me. So I'm sure you guys will hear an avalanche if it's a. And stacks of 25 here, so if it's in the middle, usually there's an avalanche. 3, 4, and 5. 17. Yeah, that's towards the bottom. 17, 17, 17. Okay. The dented one. They're probably all dented, man. I've been reusing the boxes. Alright, 17. Let me grab that. Alright, 17. Alright, let's see. This is number 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Hey, there it is. Okay. 17. Fresh 17. Big hitters only. Alright, let's see what we got. Susanna 2, Brian Christ 3, KJ 2, Houston 3, Lucky Tree, Bob K Tree, Xander 1, Ryan Z 2, Ian 3, Sean 3, Chester 3, Chad 1, Josh D 2, and Brian with 1. Alright. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Houston, Atlanta, Vegas on top. Bob's on the bottom there. Bobby. I'm going to group you guys together by your name. You guys will all have the same teams here, so just watch. Boom. Bob, Bengals, Jags, Redskins. Brian, Niners. Brian, Christ, Lions, Pats, Eagles. Chad, Steelers. Chester, Browns, Colts, Titans. Houston, Cardinals, Broncos, Dolphins. Ian, Falcons, Panthers, Cowboys. Josh, Ravens, Bears. KJ, Packers, Raiders. Lucky, Saints, Jets, Chargers. Ryan Z, Chiefs, Rams. Sean Delaney, Giants, Seahawks, Bucks. Susanna, Bills, Texans. And Xander with the Vikings. All right. Alright, Daisy, you're not in this one. Alright, let's see. Premium jersey, Joe Bats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got one spot left in the next one. So this is the first one. You're in the second. This is the third one. I got one spot left in the third one if anybody wants it. John Phillips got it. Alright, any trades, guys? Any trades, let me know. Also, if anybody has a Megatron helmet, authentic, or knows someone, let me know. I'm trying to buy a Megatron full-size helmet, or a Dan Marino. I want to buy both of them. All right, pro lines on both. Pro lines on both. Montana and Megatron, or not Montana, Marino and Megatron, or Saquon Barkley. I'm looking for those 3. And Patch Mahomes. Ryan, you have Chiefs and Rams. Rams for Packers confirmed. All right, guys. Let's see. We got jersey 1. Let's get one of the case hits. We're starting off all right. I don't think this is a P-SPORTSCARDS24, guys. Comes with a bag. Okay. Not a huge hit to start out with. I would say lower tier. But it is a still nice jersey. It is a Nike Authentic. Nike Authentic here. S26181. It is 6'1". Anthony Miller for the Bears. Anthony Miller. Nike Limited jersey. Nike Limited there jersey. Oh, he signed it on both sides? No, he did. Look at it. He signed it twice. I think he he tried to sign on the front and his marker died, it looks like. I didn't realize they signed this twice when they got it. Alright, Anthony Miller, Nike Limited Authentic. Anthony Miller there, number 17, Bears slot receiver. Very cool, very cool. Chicago Bears. What's up, James? Let me know when you send, man. Alright, Chicago Bears, that'll go to Josh D. Josh D, you got yourself a nice Chicago Bears Nike Authentic jersey there, Beckett Cert. Alright, guys, very cool, very cool. Alright, 5 times. Whoever's on top, free spot into the bonus break. Once, twice, 3 times. 4 times, 5 times. And Chester. Chester, 601 premium jersey. Number 601 premium football jersey. Very good. Alright, Gold Rush Minis up next, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Nice Anthony Miller, Nike Limited jersey. Very cool, very cool. Alright, Gold Rush Minis up next. Thank you. 3 left in the case.